The way that you flip your hair gets me overwhelmed.
Times when I hate you, but I don't complain, 'cause I've been afraid that you would walk away. I was screaming, long live all the magic we made, and bring on all the pretenders. I'm not afraid. Long live all the mountains we moved. I had the time of my life fighting dragons with you. I've seen you walk the wire, never looking down. I believe in you. Mistreated, this place misunderstood, knowing it's so good, it didn't slow me down. Mistaken, always second guessing, underestimated, look, I'm still around. Chewed me up and spit me out like I was poison in your mouth. You took my life, you drained me down, but that was then and this is now. Now look at me. Something that I feel I need to say, but up to now I've always been afraid that you would never come around, and still I wanna put this out.
It's all that we fought for. Homes, places we've grown, all of us are done for.
This is what I wanna be. Suddenly I see why it means so much to me. And up until now I had sworn to myself that I'm content with loneliness, because none of it was ever worth the risk. But you are the only exception. You are the only exception. Oh, you are the only exception. You're the only one I wish I could forget, the only one I love to not forgive. And though you break my heart, you're the only one. And though they're complicated, look how we are making, filled with so much hatred, such a tired game. It's enough, I've done all I can think of, chased down all my demons, I've seen you do the same. Oh,
Let them see you smile.